Hi there, students. Drabble, drabble. Either a verb or a noun. Let's see. To drabble, to make wet and dirty by dragging in the mud. So, a woman who's wearing a long skirt, if she walks through the mud, if she doesn't pull it up, it will drag through the mud. It will drabble. It will get wet and nasty. It will become drabbled. Okay, so drabble, to get wet and dirty, particularly by dragging through the mud. Okay, so to drabble, it's like to draggle. It's an old-fashioned word. You can also use this word, a drabble, for a short piece of writing that's exactly 100 words long. You try writing a story in 100 words. It's actually quite a good exercise, because it means that you've got to concentrate very hard on being concise and very creative. I think the term a drabble like this originated from a word game in Monty Python's 1971 Big Red Book. And I think that's actually where it came from. Drabbles are popular in science fiction, for example, where a fan writes something that is about something that they're a big fan of. You could have a double drabble, which is 200 words, or a trabble, which is 300 words. Okay, so a drabble, it's a writing challenge, a writing contest as well. Now, there is actually a third meaning of to drabble, is to fish with a long line. So to drabble for barbel, for example. But okay, so a drabble, a very short fiction story, typically fan fiction. So I enjoy writing drabble stories in my free time. The author published a new drabble on her blog. He has a talent for writing captivating drabbles. The drabble competition received hundreds of entries. I'm trying to come up with a good idea for a drabble. She wrote a drabble inspired by her recent holiday. Okay, so we've got this old-fashioned word to get wet and dirty and muddy by dragging in the mud. Yeah, for example, sometimes I tuck the bottoms of my jeans into my socks to stop them from drabbling on a wet and rainy day. Okay, so to drabble, to get covered in mud and water and become rather nasty. You have to take it off, take them off and change. He drabbled his new shoes while walking through the muddy field. The dog drabbled its paws in the puddle after the rainstorm. Children often drabble their clothes when playing outside in wet weather. And then also to fish with a long line. The fisherman drabbled along the riverbank all afternoon without catching anything. And then finally, would you like to see a complete a 100-word example of a drabble? Maybe you could write your own drabble in the comments section. Okay, so it's a creative idea, and there are all sorts of drabble. She submitted a 100-word drabble to the context. Okay, so drabble. Let's see, origin. Okay, the Monty Python Big Red Book origin for the writing competition, and maybe from the Become Wet and Dirty, Drabland in Middle English. So let's see. I think a drabble as a fictional story is going to be a foreign formality. I think probably a fairly low frequency word, and to drabble your clothes, I think your trouser bottoms, a 5 informality, but again a low frequency word. So drabble. Bye for now.